Alright friends, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be calling more sellers, calling more people, calling more homeowners, and calling anybody that we want to call to try to buy their property and or wholesale it. As always, I appreciate everybody that watches these, and I'm really happy that it can provide some value. I get so much feedback, it's insane. These videos help. Let me know in the comments, reach out on IG and anything like that. Feel free to send me any deals. I'm more than happy to close them with you guys. I've helped maybe 4 or 5 people do their first deal, and that's like with an unofficial mentorship because I don't have a mentorship or courses yet. So feel free to send me anything you guys get, and we can even make like a video or TikTok or Instagram post about it too if you want. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. Hey Adam, this is Alec. We had spoken in the past a while back about your house in Pompano.
It's not for sale right now.
Okay, are you going to be selling that in the future at all? What are your plans?
I don't know right now at the moment.
Okay, when should I follow back up with you?
This is your number?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you a call in probably like a month or two.
In a month you're going to be selling?
Yeah,
Okay, so in like January, February, or what are you thinking?
at the end of January.
Okay, gotcha. Alright, thanks Adam. Alright, bye.
All right.
Oh, I forgot to wish him a happy holidays. Oh, by the way, happy holidays everybody. Whenever I'm uploading this. Which is probably going to be after the holidays. So, I hope everybody had a good holiday. Good Hanukkah, Christmas, Kwanzaa. Bassam?
Yes.
Hey, this is Alec. We had spoken earlier this year about your place on 7th Ave in Fort Lauderdale, your house.
Yes.
Were you still looking to sell the house there?
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. What were your plans with that? When were you going to be selling it now?
Are you interested?
Yes.
Because we go back and forth, and after that, it's everything in the air. I mean, are you interested?
Yeah, we're interested.
Okay. What do you offer?
I think last time we were around like 400 to 500. Is that still where you're at?
Listen to me, sir. Listen to me. Don't waste my time. Do not call me again. I need $2 million. Go play around. Away.
Okay, what? Okay. He wants 2 million now. I'm just looking through the notes. It looks like we're at 500, so I don't know. Oh, he's calling back. Yeah, hello?
Yes. Please do not call me again, or I will report you. You
Okay.
understand?
Yeah, I
Okay.
mean, you called me.
I'm calling you now, so you take me out of your list. I'm not selling my house to you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, you want 2 million for it, you're saying?
Yes, from you, I want 2 million because you think you are playing with a stupid person. I'm not stupid. Do you understand, sir?
Okay. And then let me ask you this. Do you have any other properties or land that you're looking to sell?
Not for you. I'm sorry. Thank you very much.
Okay, happy holidays.
Thank you. You too.
All right, bye. I don't think that one's a good lead. Bro, people are wild. Yeah, we'll mark that one dead. Hey, Hillary?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hey, this is Alec. We had spoken in the past, about your house on 24th. Were you still going to be selling that one, soon?
No, I'm going to hold up to it for now.
You're going to do what?
I will be holding on to it for now.
Okay, when should I follow back up? When are you going to be selling it?
I think I'm going to just hold on to it.
Okay, you're not going to sell it at all?
No.
No?
Uh,
Okay, so happy holidays.
yeah, you too.
All
Thank you.
right, bye. I don't know what I was gonna say there, but yeah. I mean, to be honest with you, even though he told me that, I'm still gonna follow up in like maybe like 4 months. Yeah, this is Alec. We had spoken a while back, like way earlier this year, about your house or your condo in Wilton. Were you still looking to sell that? I think you said you were gonna maybe like move or like reinvest in Brazil or something.
No. The things changed. The tenant is still there now.
Okay, so you're not going to be selling?
No, I'm not gonna sell.
Okay, gotcha. Do you have any other properties or land that you're going to be selling?
Not at the moment. Not at the moment.
Okay, thanks. Have a good one.
You too.
All right, bye. Okay. Quick calls. I'm gonna mark that one dead because I didn't really like that property anyway. Another thing that I'll mention, and if you're watching, this is like good value. I made a video about this before about like cold call intros, but one cold call intro that you could start implementing is to turn your cold calls into like a warmer calls. Is to say that you spoke with them in the past, even if you haven't, right? So, and then it kind of like sounds like a follow-up call, right? So most of these follow-up calls, I'm like, yeah, we spoke in the past, and it's like, oh, okay, we did. Even if I spoke with them like a year ago, I still say that because it's just like instant pre-qualification. So it's like, hey John, this is John. Hey, we spoke a few months ago. He's like, okay. Even if it's a cold call, you could still say that, and it's just like instant pre-qualification. So just something to experiment with, but I don't know if that made sense. Hopefully I explained it well.
Yes.
Hey, this is Alec. Happy holidays
Hi.
first of
How
all.
you doing?
Yeah, I don't know if you remember, we had spoken a few months ago about your house in Pompano.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I just wanted to follow up with you. I know you were saying maybe before the end of the year. I know it's like right before.
Yeah. Well, we're still waiting.
Oh
We're
man.
still waiting. I have
Okay.
your number written down. That's why I answered, because I had a
Oh.
hunch it was you.
Okay, cool.
It's an easy
Okay.
number.
Yeah, well,
So,
happy holidays and
thank you. The same to you. Have a good one,
thanks.
okay?
Yep. Should I follow back up with you like January, February, or what do you think?
Well, maybe around February, March.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay?
All right, God
Thank you,
bless.
Alex. Have a
Okay.
good holiday.
You too. Bye. She was nice.
Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Yes.
Hey, this is Alec. I don't know if I spoke with you. I think I spoke with Donald a few months ago about this house in Fort Lauderdale.
Yes.
Okay, he was saying that maybe you guys were looking to sell it.
Not now, we're not. No.
Okay, gotcha. Is that something in the future you might be?
Not anyway soon, I don't think.
Gotcha.
Thank you for calling.
Okay, should I follow back up? Nope. Okay. Hey, Arlen.
Yes?
Hey, this is Alec. You had spoken with my partner a few months ago about your house in Sherman. You're saying you might be looking to sell it in the future?
Yeah, in the future. Not sure when the future is.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay, well, I just wanted to touch base. We would still be interested in buying it if you were selling. When should I follow back up?
Well, I don't know. You can probably call back, I guess, at the end of January, because we're not quite sure what we're gonna do. I mean, like, we weren't really planning on selling, but if you make us a good offer, probably we might. I don't know.
Okay,
I mean, we don't have to sell if we don't.
gotcha. And just remind me how much you guys were looking to get again?
And we haven't even gotten to that one because we're not thinking about selling. So basically, we haven't even,
Okay,
put a price on it.
okay, gotcha. All right, well, thanks. Have a good one. Happy holidays.
Okay, you too.
Okay, bye. Yeah, that's just one of those calls that you just like follow up in the future, just see. But that does not sound like it's gonna be a lead. Like we spoke a few months ago, about your house in Pompano.
Okay.
Are you still gonna be looking to sell that?
Yes.
Okay, what was your plans with the property? When were you gonna be selling?
Say again.
What were your plans and when are you gonna be selling?
Sell the house.
Yes.
I think that's I'm gonna see just in January. Now, I think next week I'm leaving from here to New York, and when I come back in January, I'm gonna make a plan for that.
In January you're gonna be selling?
Yeah. The second week can come.
The second week of January?
Yeah.
Okay, and how much were you going to be looking to get for it?
I don't know exactly how much that was. I think 350, I think.
Wait a second. Wait, oh wait, never mind. Okay. This is terrace, right? Yours is on terrace, right?
That's one.
Okay. Yeah, because I see this one on Ave. So
Yeah, but I have two houses that I have on the corn and the 13 terrace. That's when I'm gonna sell like 350,000.
okay. Yeah, if you want 350, I'm definitely not going to be your buyer. That's way too much.
Okay, but the noise are just generated. Now I don't do nothing.
Yeah,
But,
350 is going to be too much.
but I can do less, man.
You,
But,
oh, you could do less?
Yeah, no, I think no. Because that's what the corn is. That's a nice one. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, the house looks good, but it's one bathroom, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's a 2 bathroom, 3 bedroom.
Oh, it's a
3 bedroom, 2 bathroom.
oh 3-2. Okay, maybe I'll run the numbers. All right, so I'll call you back in January. Have a happy New Year and happy holidays.
All right.
All right, bye.
Okay.
This is like a lead from a year ago, November of 2021. So, periodic follow-ups. So what it's about. Dan?
Speaking.
Hey, this is Alec. Hey, you had spoken with my partner, Nancy, maybe like a month or two ago about your house in Fernelia, I think it's pronounced, in West Palm. Are you still looking to sell this house?
It won't be anything less than 310.
310?
Yep.
Okay, gotcha. And then if we did come up to 310, how soon would you even be looking to sell this?
As soon as possible.
Okay. Are you living here or is it like a rental?
No, I'm living there.
You living there? Okay, so where would you go? You have like another place that you would move to? Or you
Not sure.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, the reason I ask is I just want to make sure we're not, kicking you out or anything if we, could make that work. Okay, I could talk to my partner and then you're saying your timeline is as soon as possible if you can get that price?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
And then I don't think we have seen the house inside or have any pictures. Is it in good condition?
Yes.
Okay. I have here new AC, but the roof is maybe 20-ish years old, 15 to 20 years old.
It's from 2006.
2006. Okay. Okay. Would we be able to see it, or is that not something we'll be able to do?
I have no idea because I work every day, so it's kind of hard for me to even try to take off.
Okay, gotcha. Final question here, because it sounds like you're busy. Would you ever consider, if we did come up to, 310, would you ever consider selling it on payments, where we pay you every month and give you a down payment?
Nope.
Okay, gotcha. And then is 310 the best price you would do, just so I can go back to my partner and let them know?
It'd have to be around there. It's the only way.
Okay. 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 All right, cool. Well, thanks, Dan. I appreciate it. Let me see what we can do.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye. Yeah, I kind of went into like a different negotiation strategy there, whereas like my partner, you see how this chair does that? It's because like I'm like missing like a screw, so it just like it doesn't like stay firm, but I kind of like it. So that was like a different kind of negotiation, whereas like, oh, my partner's doing this. I've been trying that out more often, where like I'm not the decision maker. I kind of act like I'm a VA, if that makes sense. Hey, Alice.
Yeah.
Hey, this is Alec. I called you earlier, about your house in West Palm. I appreciate you calling back.
Okay, what can I do for you?
Yeah, sure. So you did speak with my partner, I think maybe yesterday about it. You were saying you might be looking to sell it. Is that still something you're looking to sell? I was trying to maybe put together an offer.
Well, now, was this a lady that called me?
Yeah, it was.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what I told her. I am in the process of remodeling my kitchen and my bathroom. I just put in a new water heater.
and I just put on a new roof on my flat deck out back. And I have 3 different realtors come here, and all 3 realtors gave me the same price range for the sale of my house, because I explained to them what I was doing with it. And starting with the lowest one, they said $350, and the highest one was $395. Now, if I was to sell my house, I'm going to have to get something in between that, because I have to purchase another house, and I have 3 infants under 3.
Wow. Okay.
So, in order for me to sell my house, whether they wait till it's finished or whether they buy it now, I'm going to have at least $350.
Okay.
And if they can't do that, then we ain't got nothing we can do.
Yeah.
And she said something about, oh, well, we'll give you so much now and then make payments to you. I said, what? I said, that's not going to help me, paying me payments. I said, because I have to put a down payment on something.
Okay, so you just want to cash out.
Yeah, I just want to sell the house and get out of it when I'm done.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, so you're looking to make $350. So if you make $350, you're gonna have to list it a lot higher than that, right? So let's say you list it on the market at $390. After realtor commissions, you're maybe making that $350.
I'm not gonna go through a realtor. I'm not that dumb.
Okay.
That's how I bought my house, was through an attorney, not a realtor.
Okay. So if we wanted to buy this, we would have to give you $350.
Exactly. I have a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house with a 1-bedroom apartment in the back.
Okay. All right, I could talk to my partner and see if we can make that work. And get back to you.
Okay, that's not a problem. But like I said, I'm not in a rush. But either way I go, whether I fix it or whether I don't fix it, it's going for $350. Because this is commercial property. It's not residential.
Okay, I understand. Okay, well, thanks for the info. I appreciate it. Let me see what I can do, and I can get back in touch with you if we can make that number work.
It's all right with me.
Okay, what other offers have you been getting from other buyers?
I got everybody trying to buy it, but nobody wants to pay. Well, you don't want to pay, then you don't want to buy it. So.
Yeah. Well, I think now with the market going down a little bit, it might be a little bit more challenging to get that number. But yeah, I mean, I could see what we can do. If we're lower than that, should I call you back with our offer?
If you're lower than $350, no.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, well, thanks for your time. I appreciate it. Thanks, Alice.
All right.
Okay, bye. Okay, yeah, $350 is absolutely delusional. No chance. She's like, yeah, well, nobody's offering me that. Thanks for watching. Hopefully these calls helped and provided some value. Hopefully they were good. These are always fun to make, so I'm really glad that these are providing value because I love making these. So, yeah, have a good rest of your day. Peace.